We usually focus on our dreams and go to great lengths to align our intentions with the universe. But have you ever wondered why the route to manifestation isn't always a straight line? Why you experience hard times before a massive change in your life? The universe has a remarkable way of guiding us through a series of intermediate steps, not to stop us, but to sculpt our readiness for the grand stage of manifestation itself. One last thing before we start the magic. At the end of each of my videos, you will find an affirmation or assignment to do. These assignments and affirmations will bring you another step closer to your goals and dreams. So stay with me. Consider the intermediate steps, the difficulties, to be cosmic exams, chances for us to show our genuine commitment and preparation. The cosmos, in its wisdom, is putting our resolve to the test. It's as if each trial is a cosmic nod, a whisper, asking you if you're truly prepared for the dreams you seek. The truth is that once we have triumphed over these adversities, the cosmos opens the vault of our wishes. We can all stumble at first. Sometimes, instead of an initial wave of positive transformation, we're confronted with a wave of difficulties. The cosmos appears to be presenting us with the polar opposite of our aspirations. For example, we set goals that embrace happiness, prosperity, new chances, and exciting connections in our life, but the journey occasionally appears to take an unexpected turn, a turn of events we don't want at all. In the midst of these difficulties, we must remain steadfast in our goals, even as we wonder why the tide has turned in such a contrary way. In essence, the universe is asking, do your desires come from the core of your being? Are you truly willing to embrace the reality you seek? This is a journey of discovery in which we commit to realizing our deepest wishes. Consider the yearning for enormous wealth. It's a common desire, yet the path to such prosperity necessitates a metamorphosis just like any other. The universe is putting us to the test, making us wonder if we are truly prepared for the transformation. The universe's tests are a mirror that reflects the depths of our desire, a mirror that questions if we are ready to accept the essence of our desires. We now have a better understanding of how to navigate the universe's difficulties. Then, like flipping a page, things change. We learn that the difficulties we endured previously were stepping stones that brought us closer to the treasures we sought. The road is redirected, and the things we desire begin to appear in a short period of time. It's not about getting exactly what you want. It's about getting what fits with who you are. Think about it. You have desires in your heart to prosper financially, to find deep love, to buy your dream home, whatever. However, as long as your inner self remains unchanged, as long as you resonate to the same frequency, change will remain illusory. We're deciding on a new version of ourselves. The cosmos is creating this new you, softly urging you to live as the person who has already accomplished these ambitions. These difficulties serve as markers that confirm our resolve. They are our tour guides on our path of transformation. When the manifestation process hits barriers and gets more difficult, it is typically an indication that your old self, your old patterns, are resisting this shift. But take heart. This resistance indicates that the old self is about to dissolve. Now let's delve into how to effectively navigate these trials set by the universe. The first step is to greet the rebellion of your old self with a sense of gratitude and even happiness. Because when your old routines and self-image resist, it's a sure sign that they're on their way out. This resistance, contrary to popular belief, means that the old will crumble to make way for the new. But because many people fear turmoil and fear the unknown, they often fall back and stay with their old self. But now you know the significance of these difficulties taking place for a change. And when we recognize its significance, we realize that rebelling against the old self is a prerequisite for transformation. With this courage, we recognize that the more the old self rebels, the more it crumbles. The second facet involves embodying the attributes of the new version we seek to become. When presented with a hurdle, for example, avoid focusing on scarcity and grumbling. An evolved mindset responds differently with a sense of abundance and security. When you face difficulties on your personal journey, consider how the you wish to be would handle the circumstance. Try a basic exercise during those difficult times. Imagine stepping into the mindset of this realized self. Then just reflect. How would he approach this challenge? How would he respond? You are immersing yourself in the wisdom of experience by embodying your future self. It's similar to speaking with a mentor who has been where you want to be. Now let's move on to the last step of the journey, celebrating your progress. Stop. Consider for a moment that every step, no matter how small, is a triumph. The route to manifestation is not an instantaneous metamorphosis, a mere pulse movement that results in instant success. It's a slow process that requires a daily commitment to becoming a better version of yourself. Allow yourself to rejoice with each step forward, even if it appears to be a minor accomplishment. By enjoying your many triumphs, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious, reinforcing the idea that you are making progress and getting closer to your goals. Keep in mind that we're all in the process of becoming. Instead of aiming for such quick changes, enjoy your time and accept each stage of your unique journey. These tiny steps, when added together, lay the road for significant transformations. As said at the beginning, we will end this journey with an affirmation that will bring you closer to your dream life. Keep doing these affirmations, and you will see the magic happen. Write it in the comments below to make it more powerful. The difficulties I am experiencing now make me stronger and help me achieve what I desire. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you find this message valuable, I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message. Take care and see you next time.